Hello everyone from sunny and beautiful Dubai, and to be more precise, from Emirates Golf Club. We just parked our Vulcan Alpha Wing attached to a 992 GT3 from Atomic, so thank you very much for giving us the car. We are here because the Mini Media will be taking place here. It's a pre-registration event. Also, Aram Sotheby's auction will be taking place tomorrow. Roughly 100 million worth of cars will be auctioned off. But that's something for the day after tomorrow's video, or tomorrow's. We'll figure it out. What's going to be happening today, right now, Gio and Lapo, come over here, join us. Hello. We'll be going actually to do something cool. Back at Cologne Motorsport, Professional Motorsport World Expo, someone approached us and said like, oh guys, are you doing Aero? Yeah. Oh, can you do also like drag racing applications? Yeah, we can. What's up? I have a very fast SUV in Dubai and it's doing fishtailing. Yeah. Like it needs a bit high-end stability. So whereas here where you focus more on like cornering downforce applications, right now it's going to be an interesting challenge. Well, it's going to be different kind of exercise. Yeah. So what are you going to be doing?
So we're planning on creating more, let's say, top-end stability because they had a problem of the car fishtailing at high speed. So
SeaWorld fishtails.
Yeah. So we're gonna probably do a flat floor for him, and then some, let's say, re-end goodies to aid in that problem.
Nice, exciting. So now, thanks to Volkswagen UAE, you guys will be hopping in the very beautiful color Tiguan R, and
the blue is.
Or is it green? Let us know in the comments. Is it blue or green? Because
is it blue or green?
It's something in between. Something.
Well, the car is incredible.
Anyway, you'll be going to the owner of the car to scan it with our shining 3D scanner, and that will also show that we can actually go anywhere in the world, whether it's Dubai, Emirates, Middle East, Asia. We should go to Australia one day, like the country of Aero. Like sorry, the continent of Aero. Yeah. Anyway, and to do that, and I will be going somewhere else that you will see in a separate video, or maybe already seen yesterday.
Oh yeah. Oh, thank you Volkswagen for the AC, because we needed.
Actually, it's instant.
Yeah. Oh, it's pulling. And there's enough space for a wing, full profile. And there's stuff in the back. Actually, good car. Bro has positive camber. Stands nice and bre. Dude, is it a freaking Datsun?
Yeah, and there's an RX-7.
Oh, sick. So front is done?
Yeah, front is done. Now we need to do sides, or side skirts.
And then the rear. Yep. Nice. So what's the plan with this? What are you thinking?
We need to make a rear ducktail for it. And probably we're going to do an adjustable one, so he can adjust the angle and see how much pressure to create at the rear to stabilize it. Because you don't want to overdo it, so having some adjustment is going to be able to give them the opportunity to tune the, let's say, balance of the car. So yeah, it's probably going to get attached to this side, come up, then the wing, and come like this.
Cool, like a Pikes Peak monster.
Yeah.
Cool. What about the front?
The car is going to be lower than this. This is way higher than it really is going to be a dam to guide the air around instead of under, and that's going to aid in stability and the overall cornering speed. Not cornering speed, but stability in the straight line. It's also going to help with the cornering speed, but this is not, let's say,
the car that you take corners.
Yeah. it needs to be locked in at high speed. So yeah, an air dam to direct the air around and clean up the underbody and all that.
Nice.
Yeah.
Cool. Actually exciting.
Yeah. So on this car specifically, I would say we sealed as much as possible in the front, like as much as possible, and we do the ducting to pull the air. There still needs to be some air going under. There cannot be zero, but as much around as possible.
Okay.
And so that the front end is going to be locked in that way, and we're going to do maybe some let's say a curvature to it.
Okay.
And then all the cooling that you need to do, if you have it in the back, even better, because then you have all the piping, all the weight. It's also in the back.
Yeah. So it would be a three-piece spoiler.
So it's going to be one piece here, another piece here, which is going to be the end plate.
Okay.
Then the element is going to be, let's say, stay here.
Okay.
And it's going to pop up.
Would this car be needing a diffuser?
No.
Why?
Because we did the dam. It's going to need side skirts probably.
Okay, so if we're going to do the front dam, we wouldn't be requiring the rear diffuser because there is no air to deflect.
No. The thing is, you need a diffuser when you have laminar flow in a race car, so you have a flat floor.
Okay.
Then the air is, let's say, controlled.
Okay.
The problem with these cars, or with any, even the GT3 doesn't really need a diffuser because it's still, let's say, a bit, it needs it, don't take me wrong, but to actually make a diffuser you need a complete flat floor.
Like an F1 style.
Or let's say a GT3 or a Lotus, whatever, or let's say a GT3 RS.
Okay.
When you're looking into this, you have all of these components that create very turbulent system under the car, which is, let's say, unnecessary to have a diffuser. It's only going to add weight and add a parachute effect.
Okay, so it wouldn't be doing what it's supposed to do.
Because, so, to have a diffuser work, you need, as a duct, an inlet and an outlet. So how the diffuser works, it creates an expansion zone at the back, and it speeds up the air and creates low pressure. The problem is, because you don't have the air coming in like a direct zone from the radius of the diffuser, you have the air coming all distorted, and because the diffuser has no, let's say, no starting point, because it's just hanging at the back, the air is going to come up and hit on the top part. So the top part is going to be great.
Okay. So there is no point of it unless everything is done properly from Okay.
So in this, but you don't really need it.
Yeah.
For the side skirts, that just make them smaller, just not so the air that goes pushed around doesn't come back in. So it keeps it a little bit more stable, but not completely sealed off. Or we can have the side skirts with underbody section that you can take off if in the day there is crosswinds. If there is no crosswinds, then you keep it.
It's a button on the right of the steering wheel. No, you need to experience your dream. 1 second. Yeah, press it. Oh no, it's fine. See? Experience your dream to the fullest.
He's not experiencing.
Go to the C7.
That's a better dream.
No.
No.
Is that a better dream?
I mean, it's an upgrade. So.
To be fair, the C6 to me is cooler.
Yeah?
Yeah. This is more of like, this is more of like a supercar.
No, see, have you ever driven a C6?
No.
Have you ever driven a C7?
No.
See, it's like a 700 HP 1M BMW with no traction, no ABS, nothing. Yes, compared to an M4X drive CS. If you want to die faster on track, definitely go with the C6.
That's why it's cooler, that's what I'm saying.
But this, you can, like the first time I drove the C7, you could feel the stability and the technology that they put in the car.
I like the table you found to put the laptop on.
Table, yeah?
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Skyline.
Just an R32 GTR table.
As you do.
And he's done. Scan is processing.
Yeah, we're waiting.
Are you excited to make something for this?
Yeah, well, then we see what's capable of, no?
Yeah.
There's lots of possibilities, then we still need to talk with the client on how he wants to go with things time-wise, but it shouldn't be a problem.
Yeah, cool. So yeah, stay tuned for what's going to happen with this. I think it's going to be cool. It's something different. It's something you've seen lots of these.
I mean,
do like cool things. Yeah, you just see the rest of the work. So you can tell they're doing cool stuff. So yeah, like Misha says, stay tuned, like, subscribe, share, and sure.